Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome in my channel, video channel about the networking or technology technique dengan computer. Okay, now today I want to share you about the networks topology networks engineers. Okay, it was strong. And first, the table of content is learning objective. This, there's describe command line topologies based and start. In the topologies, there are so many of type topologies like this a tree, a ring of the string, and just I will just tell you about the first and start. And the second is describe the difference between the two topologies. In the next is select the most appropriate topology for a given scenario. Okay, network topologies. A computer network is two or more computers connect together. There is a computer that is not connected to a network is then not. The way the which computer and network connect the organism is called a topology. The two main topology are loose and star. And the simple thing is there is some PC1 and PC2. You want to send a message to the PC2, PC1, and he will give some data to the PC1, and then he will get and he will receive the data from the PC2 and send it back in line or in cable with cable. Just send data with cable. Okay, next. This is bus topology. In the bus topology, every device is connected to a central cable backbone. All network data is sent up and down cable. It reaches the correct device. And there is simple bus topology. And the first is in this one there is some server. What is servers? Server is computer system that provides specific service with the corporate networks, such as data, storage, processing, or application system. It is equipped with resources to manage and share performance among user or client device. There is the servers. We are sending or receiving data from the client. There is client. There is some client. PC1, PC2, PC3, laptop 1, laptop 2. He will he want PC1 giving to PC2. He will the PC1 give data go to the server. Hey, data and the server receive data or the input or something manage. Just the simple thing is traffic, the roadway in traffic light. Here the server is will manage about the traffic, about the line strike for the client. You want to message or you want to send a message will the same time. It's it will not get broken or some broke because the server is managed for the data and for the data and then others. Okay, next, uses for bus topology. The benefit of bus topology is bus network are cheap and easy to both install and maintain. The use of the single cable means limited hardware is rocket and new device can be added easily. And the drawback of bus topology is because it's released on single cable, if the cable fails, the wall monitor will fail. This is particularly problematic for larger networks with loss of device connection. Because there's single cable like this one, single cable to the client from the server, it will be easily to broken or cable fail. And the bus networks are not typically used for maintenance networks because of the risk of the data collision. When all data is transmitted using a one cable, there is risk that the data will not be delivered fully. Okay, next is startable. In a startability network device are connected internally through this central device called a switch. This one, in the middle of the server for the client and client. These can be decided device are built in the router and home networks. For the what is switch? Switch is the term switch can refer to multiple concepts. In the context of networking, switch a device that can connect multiple computers and manage data. This in this simple order, how it is work in the startability. Yes, there is some middle of the switch. He will manage traffic like he will become a police. He will manage the servers, the clients will receive and sending or something like that. And the switch, oh yeah, I found it. For the best topology is can to sending it with the one times together because there is not to switch. He will manage traffic in the server is just sending or getting the data like the data crossfire, and then switch will manage the some each other line client. He will receive he want a message to the laptop, this one laptop 2. From the laptop 1 it can be sending it or message it together in the one time. Okay, next. Well, the benefit of startup. The start network is more reliable because each device has one own connection to the switch. So failure of one device does not affect other device. The device only need connection to the switch because the start network route data directly to the correct device. And they are more efficient and the risk for data collision is reduced. And the drawbacks for startability are typically used for large permanent networks. Such a network need decide hardware or a switch or router and cable to connect its device. Start networks are therefore more expensive. Okay, so the characters in the correct networking. Uh, the first question is use a central switch. Second is use expensive equipment, and the third is use a backbone cable. And the fourth, variable and efficient. The fifth, cheap and easier to set up. The sixth, not terrible at the large scale. And the last is used for home networks. The, the answer is there is some use a backbone cable This topology is used to make one capable, cheap, and easier to set up. They're available on large scale. Here's the type of bus topology, the characteristic, and the start topology. Characteristic are the type of topology. Start topology is used as central switch and use expensive equipment because of the switch, and the more reliable efficient and used for home networks. And then for each question, I have the question for you. Remove the incorrect answer. I will give you time 10 and the first question is which network is cheapest to set up and maintain? It is correct, there is a bus. Yes, there's a bus. And the second one is which network is connected and managed centrally. There is stars. And the third is which network routers data to the correct device. There is star. And the which network is more efficient because of reduced data collection. There is a star. And then the which network can new device be added to the backbone cable is bus. Okay, maybe that's all for me. There is maybe that's all for me. I'm sorry if there are mistakes. I will help you guys to see you in. I help you guys to watching my channels, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching, and see you in next time in next channel in the next video. Bye guys.